Magandang panimula ng taon ang natanggap ng number 1 team sa PBA Commissioner's Cup Season 49 na Northport Batang Pier. Yan ang ulat ni Rafael Bandayrel.
Tila walang makapigil sa pamamayagpag ng Northport Batang Pier sa nagpapatuloy na Season 49 PBA Commissioner's Cup. Sila ang nangunguna sa standings ng kasalukuyang conference. Hawak ang kartadang 7 wins and 1 loss. Aminado ang head coach ng koponan na si Bonitan na maging siya ay nasurpresa sa tinatakbo ng kanilang kampanya.
Before the start of the conference naman, our objective was to get to the quarterfinals. So ngayon, we're discussing also na to lessen the pressure, although we're on top right now. Our target is yung best of 3. Para medyo pagka di natin ma-achieve yung top position sa standing, at least we're in the middle na sa best of 3 man lang. So pag after ng best of 3, before siguro natin pag-uusapan yung twice to beat.
Nitong Miyerkules ng gabi lamang tinalo ng Northport ang Barangay Ginebra San Miguel 119-116. Ito ang una nilang panalo kontra sa Gin Kings sa loob ng 5 taon. Ayon kay Coach Bonnie, patunay lang yan na kabilang ang kanyang koponan sa mga lehitimong title contenders ngayong Commissioner's Cup.
Everyone's questioning about yung status ng team, yung sa mga big teams. So I hope na with this win, we prove na we're here to win games, no? We're here to be competitive, na hindi yung basta-basta na team lang.
Para naman kay swingman Joshua Munzon, one game at a time mentality lang ang kanilang pinapairal.
We don't want to look too far ahead. I think, like I just said, we just want to focus on our next game and then go from there. I know our next game is back-to-back almost. What is that, 13 and 14 and 16. So I know that's going to be a pretty, tough back-to-back for us, but we just want to focus on the first game, and then we'll, we don't look too far ahead. We're just going to go game by game, pretty much.
Muling masusubukan ang bangis ng Northport sa Martes, January 14, dahil makakaharap nila ang Meralco Bolts. Idaraos ang larong yan sa Ninoy Aquino Stadium sa Malate, Manila. Rafael Bandayrel para sa Atletang Pilipino, para sa Bagong Pilipinas.